Welcome to our channel. Today we'll see how we can configure the Hotspot service on a Ruckus SmartZone appliance to connect to an external captive portal. Here we have a virtual SmartZone appliance version 7.0. First we'll go to Network Wireless LANs and we'll create a new WLAN. We'll specify a name and SSID, and in authentication options we'll select Hotspot Whisper. Encryption will be none as it will be an open network. In Hotspot portal we'll add a new portal. We'll give it a name and logon URL will be external. In redirect unauthenticated user, we'll enter the URL of our external captive portal server. In start page, we can enter a website that the user is redirected to after they are authorized on the network. In wall garden, we'll enter the IP address of our portal server. In authentication server, we'll add the details of our radius server. We'll enter a name for it and give its IP address in shared secret. After that, we'll save the settings and then we'll go to administration and select Whisper Northbound Interface. We'll enable it and we'll create a username and password here. These credentials will be used by the captive portal to communicate with the SmartZone appliance. The code for authorizing the user on the external captive portal is given here. It includes the credentials for the northbound portal interface that we just created. You can incorporate this bit of code into your own user engagement flow to create a customized external captive portal. That's it for now. We hope you found this video useful. Thanks and have a nice day.